Hey guys, welcome back. I am here with a new video. I'm going to do another full day of eating and I'm actually about to leave for the gym. It's almost 2 p.m. here and I'm still fasting. I just made these keto fat bombs that I just kind of like came up with the recipe. So hopefully they're good, and honestly I want to try one so bad, but I would rather go to the gym and do a fasted workout because I feel best when I do that. So when I come home, I'll check out those fat bombs, and if they're good, I'll let y'all know and leave the recipe in the description box. But I'm off to the gym right now, and then I'll come home and find something to eat. I just got home from the gym and I am really hungry right now. So I just pulled the fat bombs out of the freezer. This is what they look like. It's basically coconut butter, coconut oil, almond butter, cocoa powder, and whatever sweetener you want to use. I used this sweetener right here. It's called Whole Earth. It's monk fruit and stevia. So I'm gonna try these real quick. Hopefully they're good. This one, I put some Lily's chocolate chips on the top, but they kind of sunk in a little bit. And then these two rows have walnuts, and then these last two rows are just the mixture by itself. So I'm gonna try one. So I bought this silicone tray yesterday so I can start making fat bombs, and it pops out just like this. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. They're not very sweet, but it's like a healthy Reese's kind of fat bomb. And also the almond butter that I used was the crunchy kind, so it has, I don't know if you can see, but it does have some bits of almond in there already. Here's a look at my first meal for the day. I have 2 slices of bacon, some cauliflower and broccoli that I got in a bag from Trader Joe's, some broccoli sprouts that I got from Whole Foods. This is the canister that I got. They're supposed to be really good for you, but I've never had them, so I'm gonna try them out. And I have one of these holy guacamole minis with some everything but the bagel seasoning on top, and that's my first meal. I'm going to go ahead and get dinner started. I'm making spaghetti squash for my parents and I tonight, so I just thought I would show y'all how I'm going to make it. I picked up this spaghetti squash from Trader Joe's this week. I cut it in half and then spooned out all of the seeds, drizzled it with olive oil, and then sprinkled some pink Himalayan salt and black pepper on it. And then I'm going to cook it in a 400-degree oven for about an hour. So to put on top of the spaghetti squash, I'm going to ground up some of this grass-fed organic beef from Aldi, and also we're giving this Rouse homemade tomato basil sauce a try. It was on sale at Whole Foods and it's keto friendly. So I cooked the squash for about an hour and then I added the sauce on top, and we are good to go for dinner. That is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you next time.